Liner is an AI for work, designed to save you time during research. You can easily collaborate with AI agents and your own information. Imagine you want to research about unit economics. Begin by solidifying your basic understanding. Next, gather previous findings in one space for later use. Let's take a closer look at this page. This page shares some valuable perspectives. Collect information from across the web and have it instantly saved to your workspace. Liner works seamlessly on YouTube as well, perfect for visual learners. You've just saved 40 minutes. Now, craft your outcomes with all these ideas. Liner isn't just about getting inspirations, it's about making real use of it. With Liner, watch the impossible becomes possible. Get more done with less time and energy.